John with the Utopia Experience. So we're back today with another recipe, and today is a chunky monkey. That's right, chunky monkey. It's amazing. It is an incredible drink. Your kids will love it. Well, screw that. You're gonna love it. It's really, really good. So it's really simple. What we're going to do is we're going to take 3 to 4 frozen bananas, some chocolate. Of course, we're using our homemade chocolate here from Utopia. We'll leave a link below on how to make chocolate at home with household appliances. Some peanut butter and some almond milk. Of course, whatever. You can use any milk you would like. So basically, let's get started. Also, FYI, if you don't want to use sweetened chocolate and you're looking to cut back on your sugar intake a little bit, you could just use some of this cacao nibs. Just throw those straight in instead of the sweetened chocolate. Once you blend it up with the bananas and the peanut butter and the almond milk, it tastes just like chocolate chips and it's way healthier. So, up to you. I'm going to take the almond milk. Take a few of the bananas. Some of the chocolate. Some peanut butter. Literally, it's that easy. So, this is amazing. So, hope you like this recipe. If you did, hit that like and subscribe button and follow us for more recipes. See you soon.